So you want to learn just how to use the InShot app? Well, I got you covered. First, go ahead and download the app. Now I know what you're thinking. I gotta pay to use the app? Not quite. InShot has different options for all of their users, no matter what your price range is. So if you just want to start off with only $3.99, well, then you'll want to keep in mind that you can and you get everything that InShot has to offer. Then you have the option of $17.99 a year, and it comes with the benefit of being able to share your plan with family members. You also have the option of doing $39.99 one time, and then you'll have a lifetime membership with InShot. But me personally, I just use the free version because it works just as well. To do this, click the X in the top right hand corner. So this is the home screen. To start your design, you have three options: either video, photo, or collage. InShot also has a variety of options for materials. To check them out, click all. And this is what they look like. To better switch through all the options, use the bar at the top to do so. If you click the bars in the top left hand corner, then you'll pull up a label quick selection, and you can use this for the same thing. Now, when I click on text, it'll bring up your font options, and because I do have a free account, I'm limited to the certain font selections that I can choose from. When you click the head icon, it'll show you your favorites that you have saved. Now that we cover the home page, let's create a design. To start my design, I'll select video, and then new. Pick which video you want to edit, then select the check mark. Since I've transferred my video over, it's showing up formatted as a TikTok. Before this video, I want to format it as a YouTube video. To change this, select Canvas, and then select YouTube, and click the check mark. This is what it should look like. Now to add music, click on the music icon. Here, not only can you add in music, but you can also add in effects and record sound as well. Click on music again. So let's say that you hear a song that you like, but you don't know the name of it. Something cool that InShot allows you to do is extract audio from a video. You can also hit import to bring in more music. So this is what all of my imported sounds look like. For this video, I'm gonna go with Island Dream. And if you want, you can use the music that's already in the app to help you as well. Click the check mark once you're done with your music. So next is stickers. Something that InShot does is that you may click on the icon to do a function, but within the icon, there can be other functions inside of it. So now, not only can you access stickers, but here, you can also add in your text, caption, detail, and you can add in a doodle. They have so many different things you can choose from. Now, let's apply some text to our video. I'm gonna type in, "Hey y'all." With the text tool, you can change the color, font, and you can add in animation. Now hit the effect tool again. It's one of those options that has a function within functions. You have AI effect, filter, and adjust. A really cool feature is the pipe tool. Once you select the video you want, you can add it on top of the original video. This will create a side-by-side effect on your video. And it should look something like this. You can make the image bigger or smaller, and move it however you want. So now when I press play, you'll see the videos working side by side. Video, I'll be showing you on how to delete your Snapchat account. Up next, we have the Precut Tool. Here you can trim, cut, or split your video. This tool works just like the split tool. Just to give you an example of how the split tool works, move the video to the selected portion, and then just hit split. With the volume tool, if your original video has audio on it and you would like to turn it off, you can mute the video completely. This is what the speed of the original video looks like. Now, we can either slow the video completely down or speed it up. So, let's just adjust this to 2.0. And you see everything moves way faster, while still giving it that cool effect. This is by far my favorite feature, the animation tool. Using this tool, it'll give you your videos that extra edge that other videos just won't have. This tool can be used in the intro or the outro, or you can use a combination tool. That way, you use both of these tools to get the best of both worlds. Now with the crop tool, we can adjust the image to however we want. You can also do this with the Canva tool. To add a new image, click the plus arrow, and then select your video or photo, and then click the check mark. Switch tool. You'll be able to place your image on top of the video. Select the video, then hit switch. And it should look something like this. With the Cut tool, if you want to apply any green screen effect, you'll do that here. Hit the Chrome, and then move the playhead around to delete the green screen. Next, mess around with the strength and shadows here. With the mask tool, if you only want to show a selected portion of your video, you can select from InShot's variety. You can do a half screen and adjust it. Or, if you want the box effect, you can use the square and adjust the size of your video as well. Up next, we have the opacity. You can slide it from left to right. That will either brighten your video or dim it. Now when replacing the clip, it's as simple as just adding in another clip that will enhance your video and hit continue. Now let me play a new clip back for you to show you what it'll look like. Voice effect. Y'all should try this. With this tool here, you can, well, change the way your voice sounds. They start off with characters of different voices, and there's also sounds of industrial instruments. To extend the length of your videos here, click duplicate. If for some reason you want to rotate your video, just know that you can also flip the video as well. To reverse a specific part of the video, select the portion and hit reverse. And watch as InShot does its thing. And it should say reverse success. Now let me go ahead and play it back for you, so you can see what it'll look like. To export the final copy of your video, click the share button, and then click save. Now let's check out our final results. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for hanging, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys. I wonder what my next video will be.